Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this VW Caddy, the side doors. Okay, so if it is doing this, as you can hear, this is to do with the component inside the door, the locking mechanism. Okay, it does every now and again, well, it's constantly there now. This is the item number. This is what you need. Here is the component itself. Okay, so this is what you need to change. It is a bit of a faff, but we will show you how you can do this step by step. So we're going to get cracking, remove these, and move on to the next stage. We are going to start with the inside here. This plate is a cardboard, it's nothing special. That's what I've got. It will go in there, open each one like this, and once you've done them all, we'll pop it to the side so we don't lose it. So everything's off. We shall open the door. I highly recommend just being careful with this as well, because you don't want to damage it. We'll leave it there for now. And on the inside we have these screws here, as you can see. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3 screws is what's holding this in place, and then you've got these here as well, which we'll get into in a second at a later point, but we'll get cracking with these 3 here. I'm using this Allen key here, maybe not the right thing in the world, but it's a size 3 and it fits in nicely. So I'll open them 3 up just like that. There we go. And the screws that have been put in here, which I do recommend getting something where it doesn't get lost, and the same here in there, make sure it's fitting nice. There we go, which we don't need. There we go. And I would say T30 is your best option. It does fit in quite nicely. There we go. And the same again. You've got this here as well, which just kind of flick it off in other ways. It's a bit of a ball ache. We have this. You have to be very, very careful. These are very small, so I have another tool set here for it. So there they are. That's what I've used. If you're going to ask me which size it were, I couldn't tell you, I'll be honest. It's that 9 there. So that's the screws for this here. Pull this out. I'm going to stop recording. Pull this out. Let the wire loose. Take this to the other side. Just pop this to the side. This one you don't need to take off. That's fine. That's just to lock itself in there. There's no mechanism. We've got this here as well, so you've got to be careful. See the hook that comes out of this, okay, is so it will pull out. As you can see, it's really easy. Just make sure you don't damage the top of that there, because that slots right back up there. But that's everything. We'll have to take this off as well, and then the other side is round there around the back, which we'll get to in a second. I'm going to go through this last thing with you. I wasn't able to open it, so I've had to use my hands digging there. This has been chewed up. If yours has, then hey, yo, it is what it is. I've taken it out. I literally got this end and I pulled it as hard as I can. Obviously it's broken the original one, which I'm not interested. This end is the hardest bit to put back in the hole. Can't even comment how hard it is. I've been at it for the last half an hour, probably more, till I've got it in. And then here we are, everything. It's just a reverse order of doing the things, and that's it really.